How to fix the location permissions on Life360 application. Hey guys, let's get started. If you're facing this issue about location, first of all, identify the issue, which is, are you unable to track someone or is someone unable to track you? If the case is if someone is unable to track you, it could be because of location services not turned on. So first of all, swipe down from your application and go to control panel and make sure the GPS or location is turned on and is in different color, which means it has been turned on. After that, let's check for the app permissions. Long press your Life360 app and go to app info. After that, tap on permissions section and ensure that the location is set to allow all the time instead of allow only while using the app. The steps are similar for iOS users as well. You'll have to go to settings, search for location services and ensure it has been enabled. Also, in some of the devices, you should see an option which says precise location. If available, make sure to turn it on. This will help in accurate tracking, which should be helpful as well. However, if it does not help, another option that you need to track is update the application to the latest version and relaunch the application. This way also your issue of location should be fixed. So that is all for today's video. If you have got any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section. Till then, keep watching and also do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.